Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and today we will cover Claude SEO updates. What is Claude SEO? It's a universal SEO skill for Claude Code, 19 sub-skills, 12 sub-agents, 3 extensions, and over 3,000 stars on GitHub, and it's all thanks to you. Today we're going to cover the updates, we're going to cover everything that was being done till the present day since the initial release, that being DataForSEO API, Google API, which is very important for analytics, and the rest. Let's get right into it. The biggest addition we have is our direct Google API integration. Here we're talking about PageSpeed, which is the actual data Google uses for ranking. Yeah, something like this. So right now, Claude SEO has access to the PageSpeed API. So right now it means we can pull all this data, we can feed it to Mr. Claude and he will fix them so we can make sure that our scores are at least 90 out of 100. Yeah, we also here have a search console. So maybe if you want to submit your sitemap, check your pages, check also whatever there is in regards to Google Search Console, you can also do that. We also have GA4 Analytics, which is organic traffic trends, top landing pages, device and country breakdown. We also have Index API. So let's say if you have maybe pages that were not indexed or you want to submit a new page for indexation, you can also do that with the help of just one prompt. We also have YouTube data, which is video and channel SEO research, and of course PDF and Excel report that creates for you and crafts those GA4 analytical reports. The second big extension we have is our DataForSEO integration. Here we're talking about SERP analysis, which is getting the organic search, or maybe what people are asking for, or checking what their competitors are doing. We're talking about keyword research, so if you want to check for some search volume, for keyword difficulty, for competitor keywords, for page rank keywords, you can do that. We have backlink profiles, which is your referring domains, your anchor text. And just for information, you do need to have a special subscription for the backlinks profiles on DataForSEO. We have also on-page analysis, we have domain analytics, and of course AI optimization, which is AI search visibility and brand mentions. Other than that, we have incorporated also Nano Banana skill that can help you generate images for your page. So maybe let's say somewhere you have some shitty images that you want to change, or maybe you want to refurbish. Nano Banana skill with the help of Gemini API can help you do that. So maybe if you want to generate some similar images or something else on your page, you can easily just do it also with the /SEO banana extension, and it's easy as that. And other than that, we have a lot more other updates, like for example the local SEO that was added. Yeah, so in regards, maybe you have a local business, a plumber, or whatever there is, you can easily check and audit even that local business because it's more niche down to the specific local aesthetics. We also have a plugin, the marketplace compliance that was also set, so it's marketplace ready. The skill was submitted as a plugin to Anthropic. Hopefully also they'll add it to their marketplace, but other than that, it passes the full compliance audit, which I'm very proud of. So you can also install it as a plugin, and hopefully in future you will also see this skill inside the marketplace. Other than that, we still are planning updates for the next upcoming versions. So we have also our version 1.8 roadmap, we have the content strategy skill, and also we have the deep crawl integration, and of course a few more, which was the juice and the spice and the cherry on top of our AI marketing hub pro group, which is our pro hub challenge. So we have almost finished also our pro hub challenge, where our dear members provided their extensions, and of course something else juicy when it comes to our next Claude SEO versions. And hey guys, if you want to have a community that will help you grow, that's going to help scale your SEO, please feel free to join our AI Marketing Hub Pro community. You can find the links down in the description. This is Claude SEO version 1.7.2 presented to you. Of course, I wish I could cover everything that was said, but you can check the release notes for everything else that was said till now. And basically that's it. Claude SEO for the win. Thank you everyone for contributing. Thank you for the stars. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a great day ahead. Take care everyone. Ciao, ciao.